I can't skateboard. That's, yeah, I can't. Can you hear me? Whee! Can you hear me? First I'm gonna hurt myself. Oh my goodness. Woo! Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yay, nay. Can you hear me? What is up? My name is Gene. Actually, if you've watched some of my other videos, you may notice that I'm neither in my apartment or in my current studio. And so you may be wondering what the space is. And I'll make a video about it very soon, not to tease you. In this video, I just want to briefly talk about this camera. This is the camera that I have on me every single day, all the time. It is the Canonet QL17. Actually, you probably can't see it from that far away, so I'll move up. Yes. Cinematic. It's a rangefinder, 35mm. The focal length on the lens is a 40mm lens. It actually opens up all the way to 1.7, which is pretty awesome. Although I will say it is hard to get images in focus, tack sharp when you're shooting wide open. How's that? Currently, I've been shooting Portrait 800 in the camera, which has been a blast, especially during this winter time where a lot of days aren't so bright outside. I'm gonna throw up some images really quick, and that's really gonna be the video. Of course, I would really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. It really does help my channel a lot. And if you click that notification bell, then you'll be posted on every time I post a video. So, cool. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the photos. And again, I will make more videos on this camera and how it functions and what it does and how to load film into it and how to use the light meter. But for now, just want to show you some photos. So enjoy. Thanks so much for your support, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.